Welcome to Gyproc. Here we prioritize safety. Western safety shoes are mandatory on the entire area. Leave a copy of the consignment note to the gatekeeper. Drive to Zone 2. If the truck can open two sides, this is mandatory. Remove straps and edge protection. The loader will not come to collect the truck until this is done. Always follow the instructions from the loader. The loader will tell you when to enter Zone 4. The loader places blocks on the truck and the driver enters and remains in the safe haven during the entire unloading. When the unloading is complete, the loader gives a signal to exit on the right side to finish the car. If a stamp on the consignment note is requested, you will get it at the transportation office.